How to find your policy number on declaration page with Progressive. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a quick method, whether you're on the website application or looking at PDF or printout. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So you can just go over to Progressive website, or you can even download the application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you can go ahead and click on your policy. So head over and find your policy. Or you can even head over to Progressive support page, and this is the particular section where you need to give this information first, such as select your state, what state you are from, and choose your product. Once it's done, you can click on submit, and you just need to tick this option called did you purchase your policy through an agent or through Progressive directly. So select that option and just go over and click on this option called submit, and it should also provide you with the information. You can look out for your policy contract below, and there you'll be finding your number. The policy number is usually shown at the top of the declaration page. You can just go over and view it up. You just need to download it, or download that first of all, and you can just go and view the document there, or usually within the Progressive website as well. Once you are logged in, you can open up your documents or view declarations, and the policy number is shown at the top of the declaration page. And your policy number is usually at the top of the first page, labeled clearly as policy number. Near your name, address, and coverage summary, you can look for a bold header area. Progressive puts the policy number right up top, so it's easy to spot. And that is it. You can follow that method if you want to check out your policy numbers. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.